How to fix Flash not working on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete, and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if your Flash is not working on your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. If your Flash is not working on Snapchat, the first thing you have to make sure is that the battery percentage of your phone is above 20 or 30%. And if that still doesn't help you, then what you have to do is get back to the Play Store in your device and make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. Sometimes if your application is missing out any updates, your application will not work properly. So to check that, you have to open a Play Store and in the search bar, you have to search for Snapchat. If your application is missing out any update, you will have update option like mine. All you have to do is simply tap on update. And once the application is updated, go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If that still doesn't help you, then what you have to do is again go back and open up Snapchat in your device. After that, tap on your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Now once you're on this page, again navigate to top right corner and tap on the gear icon, or that is the settings icon. Now once you're on your settings page, scroll down and look for an option that says clear cache. You will find that under account action section. So from there, tap on clear cache, and here it says all of your caches will be cleared, your memory backup won't be deleted. So simply tap on continue. Clearing the cache will help to remove all types of glitches from this application, which might help you to solve your problem. Once it is clear, it might ask you to restart your device. Simply restart your device and your problem will be solved. So these are the way to fix if your Flash is not working on Snapchat, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.